behalf of Indigo and the entire crew of 6244, we wish you a very pleasant stay and thank you for choosing to fly with us. We look forward to welcoming you on board an Indigo flight soon. Thank you.
Cabin attendants, disarm flight flashes implementing the time.